Buddy's Locksmith, San Jose, California. Buddy's Locksmith has served San Jose and the Bay Area for over 10 years with over 400 5-star reviews on Yelp, Google, and HomeAdvisor. Buddy's Locksmiths provide an excellent service at affordable prices. 1. Car locksmith service. 2. Residential locksmith service. 3. Commercial locksmith service. Emergency locksmith near me. Lost or broken keys and lockouts are the most common task for local locksmiths in San Jose, and most likely the entire country. This is why our dispatchers and expert technicians are available 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. We are known for all types of emergency locksmith services. If you find yourself locked out of your car, home, or business, give us a call, and we will respond with fast service. Residential locksmith service. Did you move into a new home and need to replace locks? Buddy's Locksmith San Jose can rekey locks to your entire home in no time. We can also install new locks with our professional service around the clock. We get the highest quality lock hardware such as 1. Yale. 2. Kwikset. 3. Schlage. 4. Mortise lock set. And much more.